Primary, the University of Ottawa, the University of Ottawa. Secondary, the University of Ottawa, the University of Ottawa. Both microphones, the University of Ottawa, the University of Ottawa. So right now we're going to show you the testing of the entire system. As you can see here, we have our main circuit. It has two inputs and one output. The two inputs are connected to two microphones which are attached to the driver's chest. They're approximately 6 centimeters apart. The circuit is powered using two 9-volt batteries. The output of the circuit is connected to this digital signal processing unit, which takes care of the filtering and analysis of the recordings. Okay, so now for our second test, we're going to be testing the radio noise while driving at a speed of 40 kilometers per hour.
Home chefs love their kitchen tools. That's why home chefs love Bayday. This weekend at Hudson's Bay.
Quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog.
This weekend at Hudson's Bay, the 15-piece Lagos.
Quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog.
Okay, so now for our highway testing, we're going to be doing 100 kilometers per hour with one window open, which is the driver's window. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog.
The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog.
So right now, we're going to be testing how the system behaves when we have a car that's driving right beside us, so the noise is coming